Hi everyone, what's up? All good? Great. So today we will be solving the question custom sort string. So let's see what is this question saying. So as you can see from the name that custom sort and string. So like we might need to do some custom sorting on a string. Okay, so let's see what's the question. You are given two strings, order and s, and all the characters of order are unique and were sorted in some custom order previously. Okay, so we have two strings, order and s, and all the characters of order are unique and they were sorted in some custom order previously. Okay, permute the characters of S so that they match the order that order was sorted. So we need to arrange the characters of S so that they match the order that order was sorted. So that they should match the criteria in which the order was sorted. Okay. More specifically, if a character X occurs before a character Y in order, then X should occur before Y in the permuted string. So in what order the order was sorted? That if a correct so in what order we need to sort the s, that if a character x is occurring before y in order, then it should also occur before y in s. So we just need to do this thing. Let's see from an example. As here you can see that we have order CBA and S as ABCD. So we need to arrange the S. So how we need to arrange that? If C is occurring before B and A, so in S as well, C should occur before this, should also occur before A, and A should be after both of these characters. And what about the remaining characters? We have permuted A, B, and C. But what about D? We have not given any information about the remaining character. So we can just put them after these characters in any order for this question. If we have been given some conditions to permute these characters as well, then we need to permute them in that order. But now we have been given just that we need to permute the characters in the way that if X is occurring before Y in order, then it should also occur before Y in the permuted string. So this will be our output. You can see here like CBAD. Okay, let's see the second test case that B is occurring before all these characters. So B should also occur before all the characters in the output. Then C, then A, then the remaining character D. So we just need to arrange them in this order. Okay, so like yeah, as we have given that we need to do custom sorting. So can we just write that sort s dot begin and s dot end based on some comparator function, and we can write define this comparator function. Yeah, we can do that. So let's see. Here I have already written the custom comparator for you that we are sorting this S based on some comparator. And what this comparator should be? It should just return the character. It should just return whether that character is occurring before that character or not. Right? Here you can see that we have passed two characters and we should return the character which is occurring first in the order. Then on that basis we will be sorting our S. Simple. We have just written our custom comparator for that condition. So what will be its complexity? Its complexity will be n log n, as the complexity for sorting a string is n log n. And what will be its space complexity? As internally the space complexity for the sort function is big O of log n. So this will be the time and space complexity for this. But it is not linear. So can we reduce this time complexity to linear? Okay, so let's think if we can reduce it to linear time complexity. So as you can see, we need to keep the track of the characters of S. Okay, if that character is an S, and we then just need to add those characters in our answer that number of times. Let's see what I am saying. Let's say we have kept the track of this character A1, B1, C1, and D also. Let's say there are two C's. for better understanding. Let's have a string S is A, B, C, C, D. Okay. Now, now we can iterate order. Okay, let's see. C. We are at C. Okay, yeah, C. Yeah, C is also here in this. So yeah, we can add C to our result. But how many number of times? The number of times it is in the map. Because all the C should occur before B and A. All the C, not we are not talking about single C. All the C which are there in S should occur before B and A. So we that's why we have kept the track of frequency here. Okay, very good. And now we are at B. So yeah, B is also in S. So simply add that B in our answer string. Now A, yeah, A is also in this. So yeah, add that A to our answer. Yeah, now we have exhausted our string. So then simply add those remaining characters in any order. So yeah, very simple. So as you can see, what we have done here is we have just kept the track of all the characters with their frequencies of S and then simply iterate order to find if that character is S, then we will simply add that character to our result that number of times. Yeah, simply so simple. We have just permitted our string S. So let's see how we can code it. So first of all, we just need to create a map keeping the track of frequencies of all the characters of S. So I says an S dot n and I plus plus and it will just frequency of S of I plus plus and then what we will be doing? We will be just iterating our order to check if that character occurs in S or not. Let's declare our string result here. Okay. Yeah. Now we need to add that characters till the frequency is greater than 0. So if the frequency is greater than 0, just a second, just like, yeah. Then we will simply add that character to our string. Okay, simple. Yeah. Now we will iterate our map again to see if still that frequency is greater than 0. Then yeah, we need to add that character to our string. Okay. So here also we need to use the while loop because frequency can be greater than 1 as well. So we need to add that character to all number of times. So now at the end we will simply return our result. So let's try run this. What I've missed? Yeah, order of I. Okay, just a second. It will be it dot first here. Yeah, cool. Let's try submitting this. Hmm. What I have done here. Sorry, frequency of order of I. I think now this test case should also pass. I don't know why I'm doing silly mistakes. Yeah, just a second. Yeah. Now let's try submitting it again. Yeah, it's working fine. So now we can, so this was all for this. Yeah, now let's discuss its time and space complexity. So as you can see, we are just using this tool for storing all the frequencies and all the characters in the map. And then we are using, we are just adding all the characters to our result. So its overall time complexity will be go of n and its overall space complexity will be big O of 26, as we are just storing characters in our map, and characters can be only 26, so it is equivalent to big O of 1. So now we have reduced our time complexity to big O of n. Okay, so this was all for this question. This was a very easy, intuitive question. So I hope you get it. If you still have any doubts, you can post in the comment section. I will surely try to answer them. Till then, bye bye guys. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.